Hi, this is my latest Next.js full stack project that I'm working on for past few months. It is called AI Diagrams and it is a IT related diagram generation tool. Basically, to generate diagrams, users can describe their systems in natural language or they can provide a sketch of a diagram. Then they can generate the editable diagram using artificial intelligence. In here, I've highlighted key features of this application. And here is the very basic abstract view of the application. And I want to mention this is a fully mobile responsive progressive web app, so you can edit your home screen. And this is the developer page. Here I added a profile card component with a 3D effect. To build the landing page, I used UI libraries like aceternityui, magicui and reactbits with my custom made components using Tailwind. Okay, let's see how to use this tool. And I use Clerk for user authentication, so you need to sign up before using. Okay, this is our workspace. Everything you see here are custom built components, even logos and file icons. There are three main sections: text, upload and edit. In this text area, you can describe your system, then you can select the diagram type. Or in here, you can upload a sketch of your diagram. We can navigate to our profile like this. Here you can manage your profile and here are some diagrams I previously generated. Okay, let's see how we can generate a diagram from a description. Okay, here's the description. Now I'm going to generate a class diagram. It will take few seconds to complete the generation. Okay, now it is completed. Here you can see the generated diagram. As you can see, it contains all the related classes, attributes and relations. Okay, here are few cool themes you can apply. You can choose one as your preference. And you can download PNG and SVG versions of your diagrams. And here you can give it a name and save it. Okay, let's open a new workspace. Here you can see all my saved diagrams. You can edit or delete them if you want. Okay, let's generate a diagram from an image. Okay, now I'm gonna upload the image. This is a hand-drawn diagram. You can see my handwriting is a little bit messy, but Gemini 2.5 Pro is a powerful multimodal. Now it's analyzing the image. Okay, now it's generated. You can compare it with the sketch if you want. Okay, let's go to the edit section. Okay, here's the built-in code editor of our app, and it highlights the PlantUML syntax, so it is easy to code. Okay, let's see how we can edit diagrams using PlantUML syntax. Okay, let's add a gender to student class. Now you can see it is updated. Okay, now let's see how AI fix feature works. Now I am purposefully make some syntax errors. Now you can see it detects the syntax error. So let's try to fix it using AI. Now you can see it fixed the syntax error correctly. I think it will be a very useful feature. Okay, let's save this also. Now you can see all my saved diagrams. We can edit a saved diagram by clicking this edit icon. It will load the diagram in edit mode. So these are the main features of this application, and I also want to mention this app is fully mobile responsive. You can use it in your mobile phone without any issue. Okay, this is the architecture of the app. Users can generate diagrams from images and text descriptions. So users can interact with the front end and provide input. Then we authenticate users using Clerk, then validate the session. After that, we send the request. In this case, it's a description or an image. This is the API layer. Here you can see the API routes we are using. Let me show you key parts of it. We are using this text to PlantUML route to convert text description into PlantUML syntax. To do that, we are using Gemini 2.5 Flash model. It is very fast and has good accuracy. And this is the system prompt. We tell AI what we actually need. Then we clean up the response. Then we need to send our PlantUML code to the PlantUML server. Before that, we need to encode it. To do that, we are using this function. Actually, I found this function from PlantUML documentation and I added this to the repository. Basically, we are using the modified version of the function, but the logic is same. We can get the response from PlantUML server with the requested diagram format. In this case, it's PNG or SVG. And I use this image to PlantUML route send image to Gemini and get the PlantUML code. And I use Gemini 2.5 Pro for this task. And this is the route that handles the AI fix feature. For that, I use Gemini 2.5 Pro, and this is a little bit the same as to text to PlantUML API route, but the model we are using and the system prompts are different. And this webhook I used to connect MongoDB database with Clerk. Okay, back to the diagram. After receiving the user input, we send it to Gemini and generate the PlantUML code. After receiving the PlantUML code, we send it to the PlantUML server. Actually, before that, we need to encode it and then we send it to the PlantUML server. And we can generate the visual diagram, then we send that diagram to the user. And users can save diagram if they want and can perform basic CRUD operations. Okay, this is the high level architecture of that.